How can we address the problem of excessive velocity in HDRI? Hello guys and welcome to the Convert channel. In this case, our shell entrance velocity exceeds 80% of critical velocity. Once you have complete your simulation, you may need to modify some of your input data to make sure that your actually data is falls within the range. So let's go, and the first thing you should know the shell entrance nozzle. Go to the report page on the output summary. Go to the nozzle on the shell side. We have actually this is the calculated shell entrance nozzle by the HDRI. I'm going to change, and actually I'm going to take this as the shell entrance nozzle. As we increase the shell entrance nozzle, the velocity of fluid which passes through the shell is going to decrease, and we do not have any excessive velocity or critical velocity of in our shell entrance nozzle. So let's go and copy this problem. Go to the input data into the nozzle and change the size of the entrance nozzle. This is the calculated shell entrance nozzle by the HDRI. I'm going to change it to the 40 inch, and for the output do the same, and again run your simulation. Go to the runtime messages. So as you can see, we do not have any problem which says we have excessive velocity. It's my pleasure to be with you again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you guys. Have a good time. Bye bye.